Welcome to the complete tour of the all-new 2026 American Motorhome, finished in a stunning gray silver color that brings together class, technology, and modern design into one powerful home on wheels package. This RV is built for travelers who want more than just transportation. It's for those who crave freedom, comfort, and the luxury of carrying their home wherever the road leads. Today, we're taking you through every angle, every detail, and every feature that makes this 2026 model one of the most impressive motorhomes of the year. So, let's begin our journey right from the front exterior. As we approach the front view, the first thing you'll notice is the commanding presence of this RV. The panoramic windshield stretches wide across the face of the motorhome, giving the driver an unmatched view of the road ahead. The sleek, modern LED headlights create a sharp, expressive look, while the bold chrome grille adds the touch of American strength we all love. The carefully sculpted body lines flow smoothly from top to bottom, blending aerodynamics with sophistication. The elevated stance, clean curves, and powerful bumper design make the front look ready for long-distance cruising, no matter the terrain or weather. Now shifting toward the front left side, the metallic gray silver shine highlights the RV's premium finish. This angle really shows off the motorhome's length, smooth contours, and spacious design. The high roofline, sliding windows, and large side mirrors with integrated LED indicators give it a modern and practical look. You can see how the designers balanced rugged durability with stylish elegance, making the RV suitable for open highways, national parks, or city travel. This side view makes one thing clear: the 2026 model is built for adventure and comfort in perfect harmony. As we walk toward the back right side, the exterior looks even more impressive. The smooth panels reflect light beautifully, enhancing the RV's polished appearance. Side storage compartments are integrated cleanly into the design, offering easy access to essential utilities and travel equipment. The aerodynamic corner curves improve airflow while driving, helping with stability and fuel efficiency. You also get a clear hint of the interior layout from this angle. Behind this wall lies the kitchen area, the bedroom compartment, and part of the entertainment zone. The sleek rear side windows add a touch of luxury, making the RV feel more like a modern apartment on wheels. Moving all the way to the back, the rear side view offers a clean and futuristic appearance. Tall vertical LED tie lamps run along the edges, giving the RV a sharp nighttime presence. A wide rear window allows natural light inside the bedroom area, making the space bright and comfortable during the day. The rear camera sits strategically at the top, providing a clear view during reversing. The utility ports and rear storage hatch are designed neatly at the bottom, keeping everything organized and accessible. The smooth, minimalistic finishing on the back ensures that the RV looks high-end from every angle. Now, let's step inside this beautiful motorhome and explore the interior. As soon as you enter the steering cabin, you're welcomed into a high-tech, comfortable driving environment. The dashboard features stylish gray and silver trims, blending perfectly with the rest of the interior theme. Fully adjustable leather captain seats offer premium comfort for long journeys. A large digital instrument display provides essential driving information, navigation, and RV system controls right at your fingertips. The steering wheel features mounted buttons for convenience, and the massive windshield gives the driver a panoramic view of the road, making every drive feel open and smooth. Cup holders, storage compartments, and soft ambient lighting add even more comfort, turning the cockpit into a relaxing travel zone. Moving further inside, we enter the bedroom, the heart of comfort in this RV. This space is designed to make you feel at home no matter where you are. The large, soft mattress ensures restful sleep after long trips. Overhead cabinets offer plenty of storage for clothes and travel essentials. Warm LED lights create a cozy atmosphere, and side windows bring in natural sunlight during the day. A small mounted TV sits at the foot of the bed, perfect for nighttime entertainment. The gray-silver interior theme continues here, giving the bedroom a clean, modern, and elegant feel. Next comes the kitchen. Compact, stylish, and surprisingly functional. The gray countertop provides ample space for meal preparation, while silver cabinets give a sleek, organized look. Built-in appliances include a stainless steel sink, microwave oven, and cooking stove. Everything is neatly arranged to make cooking easy, even on the move. The LED lighting brightens the area perfectly, making the kitchen feel airy and clean. Right across from the kitchen is the TV lounge area. This space features a comfortable sofa, where you can relax, enjoy a movie, or simply unwind after a long day on the road. The mounted flat-screen TV, ambient lighting, and modern decor give this lounge a cozy, home-like vibe. It's the perfect spot for family time or entertainment while traveling. Beside the lounge is the dining area, simple, functional, and comfortable. A compact table with cushioned seating creates a perfect corner for meals, reading, or planning your next destination. The silver accented storage cabinets above help keep everything organized during travel. The fridge area features a tall, stainless steel refrigerator integrated seamlessly into the wall. Surrounding cabinets provide extra space for food and supplies. The modern silver finish adds continuity to the overall interior theme. Finally, we arrive at the washroom, designed for both comfort and utility. It features a glass door shower, a modern toilet, and a stylish stainless steel sink. Bright lighting and silver fixtures give the washroom a clean, luxurious appearance. Shelves and cabinets are neatly arranged so you can easily store your travel toiletries and essentials. It's compact, but every inch is designed to feel comfortable, private, and practical. This completes our full tour of the 2026 American Motorhome, a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and luxury. Whether you're planning weekend trips or long cross-country adventures, this RV ensures that you never leave the comfort of home behind.